we are now going to take data for exercise number 1. For the first trial, or the row of data, we're going to have 50 grams on the end of the string. That's just the mass hanger itself. Now, the previous video you saw it from far away. Now, I want to focus on the time because this is what we're going to record. The time on the right-hand side is timer number 1, T1. It's going to record the time for the first photo gate the cart hits. Then we have number 2, which is going to record the time after the cart has sped up and has accelerated. I'm going to release the cart from the same point each time, which is 0.50 on the track. The second photo gate is a 0.90, which means between the two photo gates there is exactly 40 centimeters, or 0.400 meters. So I'm all ready to release it. So let's take our first data point. Okay, so T1 is 0.4122. T2 is 0.1555. We're going to take 4 data points for each mass. So in between, I have to reset it and let it go. And again, there's going to be some spread in the data because I can't release the cart exactly at the same point each time. It's called random error. And, you know, there's always other random errors involved, friction and everything like that. The wheels aren't exactly the same spot. All right, so here's our third measurement. So 0.4234, 0.1563. So far we have 3 measurements. We're going to have to take one more. And then we're going to take some of the weight or mass that's on top of the cart and put it on the mass hanger. So the cart will accelerate at a greater rate. Okay, so last, there we go. 0.4177 and 0.1563. So you can see some of the variation in the data. After we take all the data, I will make sure you have a list of it during the lab class. So if you missed one, just make sure you stay alert and as much as possible write them down. So you want to average the T1s and T2s for each of the masses that we're going to do. Now I'm going to do, for the next exercise, I'm going to take 20 grams from on top of the cart and place it onto the mass hanger. So the mass hanger is going to be heavier, and the cart is going to be lighter. So the acceleration is going to be greater.